everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you create a drop-down list in your Excel. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Excel application, enter all your data in your sheet. After entering all the data in your Excel sheet, you have to press on data from the menu bar. Then you have to go straight to data validation. Tap on data validation and this little page will pop up on your screen. Go on allow and select list, tap on it. After changing the allow option and setting it into list, you have to give sources, write any source you like. After giving the source of your preference, you have to wait for a while it is completing and then tap on OK. After tapping on OK, when you click on your given data of your sheet, it will show you the source name which you have typed. This is called your drop-down list. So this is how you can set your drop-down list in your Excel sheet. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope this video will help you in any way. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and also comment below. By following these steps, you can easily create your drop-down list in your Excel sheet.